Simco-ION's Aerostat XC2 blower provides complete wide area ionization protection and is designed and built for reliable, long-term static control. The XC2 offers outstanding coverage for larger areas with less than 12-second discharge times at 6 feet, 1.8 meters, distance from the face of the blower. The weight-saving design allows the Aerostat XC2 to be mounted above the work surface, which is especially effective for flat panel display module assembly. Key features include large, near-symmetric ionization area coverage, weight-saving design, easy-to-use, built-in emitter cleaner, integrated heater for warm air flow, plus or minus 10 V self-balancing, Micropulse technology, local alarm LEDs, facility monitoring system, FMS, connection and optional audible alarm.